Good afternoon. It's Tuesday afternoon and I wasn't going to come on today, but I thought, well, why not? I was just waiting there to see what the dogs were doing. I've come to my other favourite park. It's Botanic Gardens, but it's the other side of the Botanic Gardens, so it's the River Kelvin, which we can hear. And I've got two doggies today. I've got Darcy and Floyd. And it's nice and quiet. I think there was a leaf blower earlier, but that's gone off, so it's nice and calm here in the park. Maybe still a dreich day, but no wind, and the rain's gone off. And there's that looks just like a massive Christmas tree. As you know, I love trees, so this is beautiful here. Just walking among the trees. There's another slightly smaller one, and there's a baby Christmas tree. Funny shape that, isn't it? I don't know all the different kinds. As I've said before, I really should try and learn some of the names of them. Give you a few of the Latin names of them, but that's for another time. It's just a nice walk today. Now, I don't know if you noticed on Facebook, but I did buy a Christmas tree. We're having a Christmas tree decorating party on Saturday. And the tree is actually bigger than usual, so it's lying on my lounge floor. But the girls who are a bit older now, we always have them decorating the tree. They're going to come earlier and actually help me put the tree up. So I'll let you see the photos bit by bit, you know, the bare tree, and then we'll put the lights on and then some decorations. So I'm looking forward to that. But I'm away for a couple of days, so there won't be any, I don't think there'll be any more videos this week. Maybe one on Friday, you never know. I'll just come over here and see the river. Where's Floyd got to? There he is. Floyd just dawdles along, look. Darcy more or less sticks straight by me. Floyd weaving in and out the trees. And there's the river. It's quite calming just listening to the river. I love listening to the water. There's Darcy, always on the lookout. I wonder what she's seeing. Are you seeing a bird there? She's off. Maybe it's a squirrel. What is it you see? A squirrel? Is it a squirrel? Oh no, it's a pigeon, and of course it'll fly off when she gets near. There we are, run, and the pigeon flies, leaving her totally perplexed. And Floyd, come on! There's Darcy going to get Floyd. Yes, you move Floyd along, Darcy. Come on. Right, Floyd, this way. Oh, there's a wee squirrel there. Yes, I see. Oh, no, it's not. It's another pigeon. I thought it was a squirrel. Where's the pigeon? There's the birdie. Oh. She gets so far and then they fly off. Well, I know it's a dreich day. It's dull for the afternoon, but I think the days are going to get lighter now after the winter solstice soon, and that'll be a bit better. But I hope you're practicing my ABC every day, twice a day even, because it keeps us really positive and keeps you feeling good about yourself. And there's still lots of just challenges around, I think, with stop listening to the news all the time. That just, it'll depress you, it'll make you anxious, you'll feel overwhelmed. So once a day, maybe even once a week, it's so depressing, and you need to keep your spirits up. So the affirmation today, I love listening to the flowing water. I feel good. Just any short positive statement about yourself. I am calm. I let negative thoughts flow away. I am positive. And then of course you're breathing. Breathe in through the nose to the count of 3. Hold. And then exhale through the mouth to the count of 3. And of course use your creative imagination. When you use the creative side of your brain, you build resilience, and you need to build and maintain resilience, particularly in challenging times. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video today. And remember my 2 trademark tips: smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. And virtual hugs to everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll post it up later, but have a great day and a good week ahead. Bye for now.